All hail the king! All hail the king! All hail the king! All hail the king! Thank you, everyone. I'm very excited to become the king now again. And that we can finally get our lives back on normal. Yeah, of course. For sure. GT, thank you so much for joining us. Of course. And I need revenge because they killed my friend. Mine too. Mine too. I'll help you guys take over. I want to be the king, whether you're a minister. Okay, perfect. Because I want revenge. I will get everyone, because I am the stuffed animal. You know, it's really unusual for stuffed animals and webkins to be friends. You guys are usually our enemies. Yes, but I need a stuffed animal to help me here. You need a stuffed animal to help you? Tim, what are you doing? Oh, I know Maggie Buster and ditched you. And Panther. Well, Panther ran away. But who's this? Oh, this is Thunder. He was Panther's friend. Yes. Nice. So what are you guys talking about? Because they all ran away from me and now I have no one. I would love to join you guys. What are we planning? We are planning the attack of the kingdom. We are going to attack my family. Like, get the kingdom back to me. And GT and you can help attack. I just can't attack because I'm pregnant. Okay. But congrats. Thank you. GT. What's going on, you guys? Oh, we're former friends. I'll fire both of you if you don't help. Oh, Princess's orders. Yeah. Yes, we will help you. Yes. Perfect. Let's go. Okay, so my plan first is GT goes up there and just sneaks up on them. Okay. Awesome. This is gonna be exciting. I know I'm not allowed up here, so I'll just leap right over. What's that? Oh, nothing. Ah, who is this? Does anyone here know a woman? The queen demands me to tell me that you are no longer in power. Excuse me, who are you? I am a stuffed animal. GT. And I am here to help women take over who is pregnant. So I have to fight. What? Yes, King Stormy. She is pregnant. So that means that you must go. Any one of you guys want to attack me? Because I'm big and powerful. Ow. I took down half of you. Oh, this is easy. Pinky, get down! I need my backup. Magic! 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 Ow, my wing! Oh, my head! Caught you, Paul! Ow! Ow! Ah! Attack! Wait, Magic's awake. Yes, Magic woke up. I'm a Paul. Paul! Get down, sweetie. Paul! You put down my daughter! Swing on right there, baby! Ah! Ooh! Oh, Dino! Gotcha, Pinky! Let me go! Ow! Oh, you bit my back! Ah! Ah! Let her go. Ah! Help, Josh! Get off! Help! Ooh, this is a nice pillow. Help! Help! Tinky. Ah! Oh, where are you? Big Tom, I need back up. Oh no, he learned on Magic and Pegasus. Ah, the Tom is flying! We're coming! Ow, you hit me! I'm here too! Who does? Charge! Hey, come back! Ow, I'm pregnant! Ooh, I lassoed you to me. I'll put you down with Vince. This is disgusting. Hey! You messed with the wrong part! Ow, ow! Help all of us! Help! Just stay here, guys. I'll help everyone else. Rainbow missed me. Did you just kick my daughter, Wibbins? Wibbins! Mother what? We need to talk. Wibbins! Get off! Well, we need to talk. Come here, Paul. No! Ooh la la! Hello, pink little girl. Hey, don't talk down! Sorry. Where's Dino? I don't know. Where is he? I'll just... It's Kyle! we'll let you all up if you do as we say. Because we have a new queen that is rising. Who would that be? That would be Queen Women's! Yeah! Oh, sorry, Thunder. Get off them, GT. Dino! Something is wrong with Dino. He isn't waking up. Really? Yeah. Dino! Let me just take off my collar for a minute. Oh yeah! Oops. Ah! I got 3 down. You can't get me! Ah! Got you, magic. Yeah, you did. Ow! Ow! No one hurts my data! Ow! Ow! Ow, Pegasus! Ow! Ow, my back legs! Oh, you walked, stepped on them. Ow! Caroline! Ow! 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 I have to swim. Ah! Oh! Thunder, I'm so sorry. Thunder. What's the top? There, we got him. Yeah. No, you didn't. Someone check on Thunder. Someone. And Mom, why do you have these? Stop. Women, you need to talk. What? What should we talk about? Why? First of all, why are you pregnant and why are you doing this? I'm doing this, Mom, because I want to be the queen. Well, you know when your time will come. It'll be me next, then Pegasus, then I don't want to hear the lineup. I need to be queen, so I need the queens before me to not make it, so then I can be next in line. You wouldn't say that. I would, Mother. Because you taught me young to be evil, so it's coming back to bite you in the back now. But my love, my life is hurt. Just a sec. Thunder! Oh. Mother, meet Thunder. Hello! Ah! Women's, please! Women's! Women's, what are you doing? Women's? Women's, what are you doing to your mother? Help! Thunder, okay. Please? Why would you do that to your mother? Oh, Mom, I'm pregnant. Pregnant or not? You know, I've had 3 babies before, and I've fought with all 3 of them. And you're one of them. I can't believe you, Wibbits. Why are you betraying this family? Because I want to be queen. This is my only way to get there, Mother. Is having my friends who are big attack me. Did you just say big? Missed me, big Timber, yes. Oh, I'm getting tired of fighting. Oi! Oi! No one is moving. Yeah, no one is moving. You can't tell me what to do. Am I doing a good job, Ribbons? Yeah. GT, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just hanging out, squishing some horses here. Will you get off, Soy? All hail Queen Ribbons! She is now the new queen, yeah! And once all of you accept that, then we'll leave. Who was that? That was Pearl. Oh my god, she just said her first words. Pearl! You said Pearl! Oh my god! You heard it, guys? Okay, Pearl. Pearl, what? Caroline, why are you turning around next to Pearl? Because Pearl wants peace. Is that really Pearl? No, that was me. But listen to your niece. She wants peace. But Pearl can say one thing. What can you say, Pearl? Wow. So, she wants peace, so give it to her. Fine. We'll be back. Thunder, come here for a sec. Yes? Should we just end this war here? Yeah, I think so. It's been going on long enough now, and I feel bad. Attention, everyone, especially the king. Yeah? I'm sorry for this to happen. I agree with Paul. I would like family peace. Because I want to raise this baby in a happy family. Ribbons, I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Mom. Who agrees? We all do, yeah! Everyone, I would like for you to meet Thunder. This is my boyfriend. Hello, I'm Thunder. Greetings, Thunder. My name is King Stormy. So wait, hold up. You just let us go just like that? Yes, this war is over. Mark my words, little princess. We'll be back. Whoa. Yeah, what they said. Oh, my wings. Just a sec. Help! Please help! Yeah, I'm gonna help you, sis. Just like the last time. Ow! Who does? This is the exact place where King Blackie died. And since you helped him, and now helped take over twice, you are exiled. It's just a thing. I have nowhere to go. And we thought of that. So, bye. You know, I feel bad doing this, but I guess it's necessary in order for us to have a happy life. Agreed. Bye. Thank you for watching.